Did you know that 15 million Snickers bars are produced every single day? That's enough to give one to every person in New York City, and still have millions left over. Today we're going inside the Waco, Texas factory where this chocolate phenomenon comes to life. Our journey into the Snickers factory begins with the creation of nougat, the sweet foundation of every bar. This creamy concoction is more complex than you might think, combining a variety of ingredients to create that perfect texture and flavor we all know and love. The nougat recipe reads like a dessert lover's dream. Semi-sweet chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, peanut butter, milk, sugar, butter, vanilla, and marshmallow cream. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in achieving the signature Snickers taste and consistency. But how do these ingredients come together to form the nougat base? It all starts with a carefully controlled heating process. Massive industrial mixers combine the ingredients, slowly melting them together. The precision required at this stage is astounding. Even a slight variation in temperature or mixing time could result in a nougat that's too runny or too firm. As the ingredients meld together, the mixture is constantly monitored by both automated systems and skilled operators. They're looking for that perfect consistency, not too thick, not too thin. It's a delicate balance that requires years of experience and cutting-edge technology to maintain. Once the nougat reaches the ideal consistency, it's time for the cooling process. This step is just as crucial as the heating. The nougat needs to be cooled to the perfect temperature before it can be molded into the familiar Snickers bar shape. Here's where automation really shines. The cooled nougat is poured into specially designed molds that form the base of each Snickers bar. These molds move along a conveyor system, ensuring a consistent size and shape for every single bar. It's mesmerizing to watch thousands of perfectly formed nougat bases emerge from this process every minute. What's truly remarkable about this nougat making process is how little it has changed over the years. While the machinery has certainly been upgraded and the scale of production has increased dramatically, the basic steps and recipe have remained largely unchanged for over 70 years. This consistency is a point of pride for Snickers. In a world where food products often change to cut costs or follow trends, Snickers has stuck to its original formula. It's a testament to the old saying, "If it ain't broke, don't fix it." The commitment to consistency doesn't mean the process is stuck in the past, though. Modern technology has allowed for incredible precision and efficiency in the nougat-making process. Computer-controlled systems monitor every aspect of production, from ingredient ratios to cooking temperatures, ensuring that every batch of nougat meets the exact same standards. As we watch the nougat bases continue their journey down the production line, it's hard not to be impressed by the scale of the operation. Remember, this factory produces 15 million bars every day. That's a lot of nougat. Now that we've seen how the nougat foundation is formed, it's time to explore the heart of what makes a Snickers bar truly special: the caramel and peanuts. This dynamic duo transforms the simple nougat base into the complex, satisfying treat we all know and love. Let's start with the caramel. You might think caramel is just melted sugar, but the process is far more intricate. The caramel used in Snickers bars is a carefully crafted mixture of brown sugar, butter, vanilla extract, corn syrup, and milk. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect gooey texture and rich flavor. The caramel making process is a testament to the precision required in large-scale candy production. It all begins in massive industrial kettles where the ingredients are combined. But here's where it gets technical. The mixture must be heated to an exact temperature, not a degree more or less. This precise temperature control is what gives Snickers caramel its signature consistency. As the mixture heats, it undergoes a complex chemical reaction known as caramelization. This process breaks down the sugar molecules, creating hundreds of new compounds that contribute to the rich, complex flavor we associate with caramel. It's not just about sweetness, it's about depth of flavor. Once the caramel reaches the perfect temperature and consistency, it's time for it to meet the nougat. The caramel is carefully poured over the nougat layer in a continuous stream. It's mesmerizing to watch. Imagine a golden river flowing over a sea of creamy nougat. But this isn't just for show. The even distribution of caramel is crucial for ensuring every bite of a Snickers bar delivers that perfect balance of flavors. After the caramel layer is applied, the bars enter a cooling tunnel. This step is critical. The caramel needs to cool to just the right consistency, firm enough to hold its shape, but soft enough to provide that satisfying chew. It's a delicate balance, and one that the Snickers factory has perfected over decades of production. But we're not done yet. Remember, we're making Snickers bars here, and no Snickers is complete without peanuts. Here's a fun fact. Each standard-sized Snickers bar contains approximately 28 peanuts. That's right, they're counted, not by hand, of course, but by highly sophisticated machines that ensure consistency in every bar. These peanuts aren't just tossed on top. They're carefully mixed into the caramel layer while it's still warm. This process allows the peanuts to become partially embedded in the caramel, creating that perfect blend of textures in every bite. It's this combination, the smooth caramel and the crunchy peanuts, that gives Snickers its distinctive mouthfeel. The addition of peanuts isn't just about texture, though. It's also a crucial part of the Snickers flavor profile. The saltiness of the peanuts provides a perfect counterpoint to the sweetness of the nougat and caramel. It's this balance of flavors, sweet, salty, and nutty, that makes Snickers so satisfying and, for many, irresistible. Now that we've seen the layers of nougat, caramel, and peanuts come together, it's time for the final touch that transforms these components into the Snickers bars we know and love, the chocolate coating. This stage is where the magic happens, giving each bar its signature look and sealing in all those delicious layers. The chocolate bath is a sight to behold. Imagine a river of liquid chocolate carefully maintained at the perfect temperature. Each bar, with its layers of nougat, caramel, and peanuts, takes a journey through this chocolate waterfall. The bars are completely submerged, ensuring an even coating on all sides. This isn't just any chocolate, though. The coating is a specially formulated milk chocolate blend designed to complement the flavors of the nougat, caramel, and peanuts. It's rich and creamy with just the right amount of sweetness to balance out the salty peanuts and sweet caramel. As the bars emerge from their chocolate bath, they are a sight to behold, glistening and perfect. But the process isn't over yet. The newly coated bars now enter a cooling tunnel. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect Snickers texture we all know and love. The cooling process is a delicate balance. If the chocolate cools too quickly, it can develop an unappealing white bloom on the surface. Cool it too slowly, and the bars might lose their shape. The temperature in the cooling tunnel is precisely controlled, allowing the chocolate to set at just the right rate. This ensures that satisfying snap when you bite into a Snickers bar. Once cooled, the bars move on to packaging. The packaging process is designed not just to wrap the bars, but to protect them and maintain their freshness. Each bar is sealed in an airtight wrapper, locking in the flavors and preventing the chocolate from melting or absorbing odors from the environment. But before any Snickers bar makes it to the shelves, it has to pass through rigorous quality control measures. This is where the attention to detail really shines. Each bar is checked for consistency in size, weight, and appearance. Any bar that doesn't meet the strict standards is removed from the line. These quality control measures aren't just about aesthetics. They ensure that every Snickers bar delivers the same satisfying experience, whether you're eating one in New York, London, or Tokyo. It's this consistency that has helped make Snickers the best-selling chocolate bar in the United States. The scale of this operation is truly mind-boggling. Remember, this factory produces 15 million bars every single day. That's enough to give a Snickers bar to every person in New York City twice over, with plenty left over. This incredible output, combined with the strict quality control measures, has contributed to Snickers' status as a global confectionery powerhouse. With annual sales of about 2 billion worldwide, it's clear that the meticulous attention to detail in the production process pays off. But it's not just about the numbers. Each step of the process, from the creation of the nougat base to the final chocolate coating, is designed to create a specific experience.